We got a big one, guys. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a big Strathberry unboxing for you. They had their sale recently, and if you missed it, I shared it on my Instagram story, so you better be following me on Instagram, She's the Posh. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have another unboxing for you from Strathberry. It's a brand that I'm starting to fall in love with. The prices, not only the prices are amazing, the quality is amazing, the bags are unique, and I feel like it doesn't get talked about enough in the luxury community. So I currently have, I believe, 3 handbags from them so far. So they had their sale, they had these sales, I believe, twice a year. So I'll make sure to always share those on my Instagram stories. However, I couldn't decide which bag I wanted. There's some bags in here that I've been interested in, and especially the type of leather. So I don't know if I'm keeping all of the bags that are in here. I have 3 in here, but the amazing part is the price of these 3 bags, because they were on sale from Strathberry, just cost a little over $1,000 for 3 handbags, guys. It's amazing. Their prices in general are a great deal. However, I just felt so excited that I could get like 3 bags to try for $1,000. That's an amazing deal. Okay guys, let's open this up. It's in a huge box because each of these bags are gonna be packaged amazing. Wait till you see. There we go. Okay. How they do it is these 3 bags are in their own individual boxes. It's like, take notes, Louis Vuitton, take some notes. Okay, so these are here. Now I didn't read on the side what these are, so we're just gonna open them up. So now these are individually boxed, and they come in a beautiful Strathberry box. So yes, these bags are less than the luxury designers, but it's a luxury experience of getting that amazing quality. So here's a cute little thank you. Oh my gosh, I can already smell the leather. I can smell the leather. It smells so good. Okay, look at this sticker. I love their packaging with the black and gold. Let's open it up. First one we've got, it's dust bag. And you can smell it through the dust bag. That's how you know this leather is amazing. Oh, here it is, how cute. Okay. So this here, guys, this is the Strathberry Nano Tote. I have the Midi tote, but this is in the bottle green color croc. OMG. I fell in love with this color, and that's the thing about, see, this is a little stiff. That was the only thing I was concerned about. This is a cute, cute bag. It is the croc, so it's a little bit stiffer of a leather. It smells amazing. Let's take this side, and it comes with a crossbody strap that's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that with the gold detail. And it's magnetized, which is what I like about Strathberry. So you don't have to necessarily have it shut with this bar. It will just shut like that. And you know, I hate a weak magnet. This is a beautiful magnet. And then it goes, the bar goes on like this. So you can't really put it in the crook of your arm. It would just be top handle like this. And I like that it has the leather on top. And look at that, absolutely gorgeous. How it hangs, let's try it on. Here it is on me. Oh, that color is so beautiful. And it definitely is just gonna fit all the necessities, everything you need. And I have down here, I have the Midi tote version. And this bag was such a great price. I mean, it's obviously a huge difference of the bag. The only thing is this bag is just really stiff. Like, so this doesn't go down all the way. So I don't know if that's something that will go in time, where it'll be where this one is hitting, so that you'll be able to grab the top handle a little bit better. That's my only critique of this bag that I'm not liking, is how this bar is hitting. So my first impressions of this bag: color is beautiful, look is absolutely gorgeous, smell of the leather, the quality is great. I love how it hits on this. The only thing I don't like is this part right here is just really stiff. So my only concern with it is if this will cause a lot of rubbing on here, because my other one doesn't have rubbing, but I've never had this like mock croc before, and I wish that it would go lower where it's supposed to hit, but it is hitting a little bit higher up here, and I have to kind of force it down. So that's my only thing about this one, which I'm just not sure about if that will happen over time. Like, I'm assuming it will, but I just don't want to get cracks or something here from having to force it down. So that's the only thing that I'm a little concerned about with that bag. Gosh, just dropped a whole big box. On to the second bag. So this is a bag that I don't currently have, but again, it is a smaller version. Okay, come on, scissor. Do your stuff. Okay, so here is the box. Again, the thank you. The beautiful packaging. I smell this one too, but it's not as strong as that other one was. Oh, this looks so cute. Okay guys, this is the East-West bag in the mock croc, and this color is the burgundy. So this is the famous one that the Duchess of Sussex, she will wear, and became pretty famous from her. I think it opens by this pushing up. Yes, so this pushes up, and then to close it, it kind of just pushes down like that. There is a magnet for it, and it kind of just rolls with this bar. So I went with like mini bags. So again, these were a great price. I want to say this bag was a little over $300. They do have larger versions, but I just think this would be such a pretty bag to wear in the winter. Let's unveil her. So this bag, in the inside, it has some dividers. I knew about that. That's just a little bit of a negative of the bag, is that if it was open, you'd be able to fit things maybe a little bit easier. But the reason they have the divider there is that helps the weight distribution of this, so it doesn't tip or anything because you have this bar here. But this chain is absolutely gorgeous. And then of course you have the multiple ways that you can wear it, which is cross body, which is, I'm thinking about wearing it, or as a shoulder bag. But I really love mock croc. Like, I really wanted to get some mock croc bag, but again, it's not something that I'd be wearing all the time. But this color I just fell in love with, and the fact that it was on sale, I thought it was so cute. I feel like it'll fit the necessities, and at the price point, oh, it's so beautiful. I think we're keeping this one. Let's try it on. Okay, so here it is as a shoulder bag. So cute. I've never had this bag before. Sam from Bargain Hunting Blonde has it, and she loves it. I think she has it in the small size. This bag was just a little over $300. They're normally right around $500. Yeah, this is super easy. I love this chain. It's almost like a snake chain. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not like a normal chain. It has like a snake to it. Oh, so pretty. Okay. This one is doing pretty good. I think we're gonna keep in this one. We just have one more, guys. Here it is, a little bit bigger box, but not necessarily a huge bag. Again, the thank you. The gorgeous wrapping. Love it. Oh my gosh, this one smells so amazing. I can smell it already. And this one I'm super excited. This was the first one I added to cart. Here it is. So guys, this is the Lana Nano bucket bag in the patchwork. So it is both a mixture of their textured leather with the croc. Oh, this one has a snap. And I have the larger version of this bag, which I absolutely love. So you can adjust the straps and make it crossbody. See, they have, oh, it comes with a pouch too. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. So this is a cute little bucket bag. It comes with a detachable pouch, which is nice. It has it just like right here on the side, but that slides right in. And this one can be worn as a shoulder bag. And it has a snap closure. So I have detached the pouch because I would probably wear this without the pouch on it. Let's try to make this longer. Okay, we've got that. So it's just a little stiff. That's the only thing with this mock croc. Now let's see if we can get it closed. And there you go. So it has another snap so you can get it closed more. And I would probably be wearing this cross body more than anything else. It's just the leather is a little stiff, so I know that it will soften. And this I took off because I feel like this takes up a lot of space and I like having it, but I don't think it's something that I'll use with the bag. Let's try it on. On me, that's a good length. That's the largest length. And here is the bigger version that they have. This is the, I believe they call it the Midi size. This one is not stiff, it's softened. And I wear this one crossbody all the time. And this one has a magnetic closure, which I like better than this one. I mean, this isn't bad, but I'm not loving this as much as I thought I was going to. That's a bummer. So guys, like this is a super cute bag. So this one I'm on the fence about because like it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's cute. The mock croc needs to be very durable. I can just see myself wearing this with a lot of winter stuff as a casual everyday bag, even taking out nicer. And I know that this is going to like soften over time. I'm not loving it as much as I thought I would. I do like it. I do like it a lot. And it was a great price. So maybe I'll put my stuff in it and just kind of think about it. But for some reason, I'm not loving it as much as I thought I would because I have the bigger version. I love that one so much.
Hey guys, Jess here, and I am editing this video right now, and I just decided that I'm gonna just give away the black bucket bag from Strathberry. I think since it's not going to work for me, maybe one of you love it. So there's no strings attached. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to go to Instagram or anything. Just comment a black heart down below. And I just ask that you live in the US because then I don't have to worry about customs and I'm lazy. That's basically it. So just have to live in the US area that I'll be sending it to, do a black heart, and I'm just gonna keep it open for about a month since this video, this video comes out, and I'm just gonna pick someone at random. So good luck to everybody.
And I'm not sure why they would have like that pouch with it. I don't feel like that pouch is necessary. And I do wish this had a magnetic closure than the snap closure, but this is a nano size. Like you definitely fit everything you need in this bag. Super cute. But I don't think I would wear it as a shoulder bag. I think I could only wear it crossbody. When it was a shoulder bag length, it seemed a little small to me. Let me know what you think. Like it's absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And it was on sale, but I'm just wondering if I'm going to wear it. And that's the only thing. Like, I don't have a Strathberry store, a place that sells Strathberry near me, so I never got a chance to look at this. I mean, I love the look of it. I think it's just the snap. It's not a magnetic snap or anything. Yeah, guys, what do you think of these? So my absolute favorite out of these that I got was this one, and I'm definitely keeping this. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love this color. This one I'm on the fence about. I'm just not sure since I'm not getting that love that I thought I would get. I'm more inclined to send this one back. This one, I absolutely love the color of. Like, I love this bag. When I got this out, like I saw it. I love how gorgeous and cute it is. I'm just concerned about this part, but it's already staying down. So I'm leaning more towards keeping this one and sending this one back. And keeping this one. I just love the colors better. I don't know if it's the patchwork or what it is, but I just not loving this one as much as I thought I would. That's a bummer. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know, have you have any Strathberry items? Is it a brand that is on your radar? And which one of these is your favorite? Which ones do you think I should keep? I'm leaning towards keeping the burgundy and the green and sending the bucket bag back. I really thought that was gonna be, I saved it for last because I thought that was gonna be the one I love the most because I do love the Lana bucket bag that I have in my current collection. So yeah, guys, as always, I wanna thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye, guys.